Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Pool Spa chlorine tablet. These are the 3-inch wide. They are super long lasting. This is a 10-pound box for all your swimming pools, hot tubs, and they are slow dissolving. Alright, so right here we have our chlorine tablets. These are 90% chlorine, sanitize and protects your pool water, making it fully enjoyable to swim in nice and clean water. Silky Smooth Water efficiently kills bacteria and algae, prevents corrosion, scale, and stains. It clarifies the water. It's sun protected to longer the chlorine life. It is super easy to use. It is the perfect size for floaters. These are the 3 inches, so these are mostly for pool. I know the smaller ones are for the hot tubs. So this is a perfect size. It is a 3-inch. One tablet treats 10,000 gallons of water for up to a week. So these right here are the 3-inch chlorine tablets. It tells you it gets rid of bacteria, waterproof tablets, long-lasting. One tablet treats up to 10,000 gallons. This is multi-purpose Poolwell chlorine tablets, not only supplied for swimming pools, hot tubs, spas, but also to hot sparkling pools, water parks, even toilets. So you can add these into toilets for extra clean. This package includes, this is a 10-pound container of 3-inch super chlorine tablets. So in order to open this, you have to pop up these little plastic tabs on each side. Once you pop those up, you just rip it around the side. It is super easy to rip it around the side, as you can see. So this makes your water feel silky smooth. It's got surface protection. It's adjusting and balancing, so it's great for your pool chemicals. It prevents algae, long-lasting life, anti-UV protection. So I know a lot of the other ones, they have individually wrapped. These ones are not individually wrapped, which is okay too. It doesn't matter as long as they're effective. So in here you can see these tablets. The dimensions are 3 by 3 by 1 inch. The whole package is 10 pounds. So one of the tablets treats up to 10,000 gallons. This is about a 15,000 gallon pool. This is a 24 by 52 inch Intex pool. So I have a little frog right here, so it just puts my chlorine tablets in here. Mine are actually wasting away, so I'm just going to fill this one up. I'm going to turn this over, pop this off, and then I'm going to pop in an extra couple tablets in here. Then I'm going to put the top back on, and then I'll throw it in the pool. So you just pop it into the pool. Let it soak it up. These are very effective. You can see my pool is super clean. I just pop in about 2 or 3 of these in, and it lasts me about a couple weeks. You can see that my pool is crystal clear. I do clean my pool very often. And then I do have an ionizer. So between the ionizer and my little chlorine tablets, you can see it's crystal clear. I have no algae problem, none whatsoever. These do last super long. So if you're looking for chlorine tablets that are long lasting, I would say go ahead and check these ones out.